Good morning students, welcome to Kiran's tutorial. Crystal lattice and unit cell. These are the very important topic for IP and competitive exams, for NEET, JEE mains and other competitive exams and board exams also it is very important. So what is lattice? What is unit cell? How many types of unit cells are present? So all these things now we are going to discuss. See, the first one, what is lattice? What is lattice means? Regular arrangement of constituent particles in 3 dimensions are called as lattice. Regular arrangement of constituent particle in 3 dimensions is called lattice. Regular arrangement, nothing but crystalline solids, nothing but there is a long order is present, whereas amorphous short order is present. So regular arrangement of constituent particles. Constituent particles, what are the constituent particles? Maybe ions, atoms or molecules. But constituent particles are arranged in 3 dimensions. Those are called as lattice. Crystal lattice. See, it is a crystal lattice. Q, you can say it is a crystal lattice. Clear? It's a regular arrangement. R. See, regular arrangement of points. Regular arrangement of points. These are called as lattice. Okay. See, it is regular arrangement. So it is called as lattice. The example, so it is lattice. So regular arrangement of constituent particles in 3 dimensions. It is called as lattice. Then what is unit cell? The smallest repeating unit of crystal lattice. It is called as unit cell. See, the smallest repeating unit of crystal lattice, it is called as unit cell. So you know the lattice, in that the smallest repeating unit. Example, see, if it is a crystal lattice, here it is the smallest one, only one, the first one, second one, third one, 4, 5, 6. See, total, thus all same color, all are having same color. Here the first one, it is called as 1 unit cell, the second unit cell, third unit cell. So the smallest repeating units, of unit cell, it is called unit cell. Clear? It is the smallest repeating unit. of lattice. It is called as unit cell. Clear? That is about lattice and unit cell. Okay. Then unit cell is classified into two types. If you go to the classification of unit cell is classified into two types. See, unit cell, it is classified into two types. The first one, simple unit cell. The second one, centered unit cell. And the centered unit cell again classified into three types. That is FCC, BCC, ECC. Means face centered cubic cell, body centered cubic cell, end centered cubic cell. Unit cell nothing but a cube, simple cube you are taking. So face centered cubic cell, body centered cubic cell, end centered cubic cell. It is the classification of unit cell. Clear? So unit cell is classified into two types. Simple unit cell, and it is also called as primitive cell. And second one, centered unit cell. So in centered unit cell there are three types: face centered, body centered, end centered. Clear? The first one, primitive unit cell. So or it is also called as simple cell, simple cube. Okay, primitive unit cell. So what is simple cell? Primitive cell means which has atoms only at corners. Then it is called as a primitive cubic cell. In primitive cubic cell, atoms are present at the corners only. Then it is called as primitive cubic cell. See. It is a simple cube called as a primitive cube cell or simple cube. Here the atoms are arranged at corner of the cube. See corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the corners. At corners the atoms are present. Then that is called as a primitive unit cell, primitive cube cell. Clear? And then how many number of atoms are present? That is a very, very important one. Number of atoms present in primitive cells. Number of atoms present in face centered cubic cell, body centered cubic cell, end centered cubic cell. It is very, very important. See, here how many number of atoms are present means here total 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, so at corners 8 atoms are present, and atoms share with 8 corners. Means, see, here one atom is present, one atom. It shares with 8 parts, 8 sides. Clear? See, it is first, second, third, and fourth side. It is a 3D structure. So the portion is said back side also. For example, see, it is a primitive cell. One atom is present here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and back side 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 corners. The atom shade with 8 corners. So that's why number of atoms. Total number of atoms is equal to 8 atoms are present and it shades with 8 corners. So that is equal to 1 atom. So in simple unit cell, simple cubic cell, how many number of atoms are present? Means only 1. Clear? It is 8 atoms at corners and it shades with 8 corners. Clear? It is a 3 dimension, so shades with 8 corners. So that's why 8 into 1 by 8. That is equal to 1 atom. That is about simple unit cell. Clear? Centered unit cell, it is classified into 3 types: face centered, body centered, end centered. Then, how many atoms are present in FCC? Face centered, BCC, body centered, EC, end centered. These are very important questions for competitive exams and also board exams. Clear? Listen. See, FCC. If you draw the structure of FCC, see, it is a simple cube and corners. At corners, how many atoms are present? 8 atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In FCC, corners, see the corners, 8 atoms are present and see 8 atoms. So shade with 8 corners, that is equal to 1 atom, and it is a face centered. See, it is a face centered. How many faces are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Here you know that first one, blue color, red color, second one, green color, third one, and 4, 5, 6, white color. Clear? So 6 faces are present. If you observe the cube, 6 faces are present. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the back side, 6. So 6 faces. 6 faces, 6 atoms are present. And listen. See, it is a one wall. The first, this side portion is visible to one kind of people, and back side portion is not visible here. Only some portion is visible, only one thing. Imagine it is a wall and it is visible to right side and it is not visible to left side. But this reason it is visible to left side and this portion is not visible to right side. So 2 corners, 1 atom shade with 2 corners. So total atoms faces 6 atoms are present, and these 6 atoms shades with 2 sides, so 3 atoms. So total 4 atoms. 4 atoms are present in FCC. Clear? Then we go for BCC. So body centered cube. If you draw the body centered, see, So it is a cube, and the corners, at corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 atoms are present. So at corners 8, and shades with each atom shades with 8 sides. So 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 atom. And body center. So we know the center of the body, only one point is present. For example, it is cube. What is the center of the cube means only one portion. It is the center of the cube. Clear? So that's why only one atom is present. So at body center, that is equal to 1. Total number of atoms, 2 atoms in BCC. If you go to the end center, see, in end center, it is another cube. In end center, first at corners, you know that all cubes are having 8 atoms in 8 corner side, and each atom shades with 8 corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 shades with 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 atom. And sides, see, for example, see this one, these are ends and these two are sides. Clear? You can take cube. See, if these are ends, then these two are called as sides. Clear? These are ends and these two are called as sides. So it is end center. So how many ends are present? 2 ends are present. So it is 1 and 2. Same, each atom shades 2 parts or 2 regions. So at ends 2 atoms are present, and 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 atom. So total 2 atoms are present in end-centered cube. Clear? So that's about classification of unit cell. Clear? So that's about lattice and unit cell and classification of unit cell. Okay? And go to the third part. In third part, we are going to discuss Brave lattice. So don't forget to subscribe Kiran tutorials. Okay? Thank you.